Hey friends, we are going to unbox the Fellow kettle, and I'll try not to cut myself. Or the precious goods. Oh, one box down. Now we have another slightly smaller box. Looks like a kettle. Let's see what we got. Water temperature is critical. Freshly ground beans. All right, so we know how to make coffee now. I fold sign. Key flaps. Oh, there's ice cream on the side. What's on this side? Should have given this box a better look. Making some coffee. And we got a little card. Thank you, fellow coffee lover. Ha. Ha ha. Cool. We got a feature and brew guide. A sticker. A tattoo? A sticker. I think a sticker. And safety and instructions. Don't put it on the stove. I wonder which one does that for safety. Looking into that later. Plug. It's a North American plug, fortunately. And it's all just sitting in there. Nothing too fancy. There we go. Caution. Kettle is hot when on or in use. Yeah, thanks guys. Do not fill above the max line. At higher elevations, do not set the temperature above your altitude's boiling point. Makes sense. And a base. Very nice.
Is it heavy? What does it feel like?
It is not heavy. The base is pretty light.
What about the kettle?
Has a hold switch. Oh, put that to Celsius. There we go. It's kind of nice. And see if this makes any nice sounds. It does not. Cool. Oh, we still got the lid here. It's like a nice lid.
Oh, it's so fancy.
Fairly satisfying to put that one in. It is a snug fit.
This is so you can stick it on the kettle.
Melt the sticker onto it. There we go. It's a kettle. See ya.